Home Remedies presents. Rub this mixture and get instant relief from painful knee and joints. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today I will share with you an instant and soothing pain relief remedy for aching and sore joints, including arthritis. And for that, you have to look no further than your own kitchen pantry. So without any more wait, let's start. You can always create oils and lotions using all natural ingredients that are not only affordable but are also healthy for your skin. The active ingredient found in cayenne pepper is capsaicin and works to relieve pain by numbing the sensory nerves. But cayenne also stimulates blood flow and increases circulation, which can help with healing of sore joints and muscles. Instead of paying for the arthritis cream at the store, try making your own. It offers great peace of mind to know that what exactly you are absorbing in your skin, and it's rewarding to make yourself. Here are 2 recipes. You can very easily make it in your home. Cayenne pepper massage oil. Add half teaspoon cayenne pepper to 1 cup of warm olive oil or almond oil. Mix well and apply directly to knee joint. This warming oil soothes achy and sore joints and muscles. Rub firmly to get deep into the tissues. Allow it to sit for an hour. Then rinse it off with warm water. Using this oil twice daily for at least 1 week will give better results. Another alternative is to prepare a homemade lotion. Cayenne pepper lotion. Mix 1/4 to half teaspoon cayenne pepper with 1 cup of lotion. This can be any of your routine lotion that suits your skin. Apply a generous amount to the knee joint. Wash hands after handling the lotion. Apply lotion to the painful area 2 to 3 times a day till the pain subsides. You will feel better from the first application. How this works. Capsaicin depletes a neurotransmitter called substance P, which is responsible for sending pain signals to our brain. If you block the big P, we never get the memo that something is hurting and therefore end up pain-free. If your skin is sensitive, do a patch test before applying. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.